it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing of CEO Follmer's Javelin Trans Am Road Racer by Johan. And as far as I know, I think this is 70s AMX Javelin, AMC AMX Javelin, and this is a vintage kit. And before we get started, let me thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Thank y'all very much. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. Alright, let's get started. This is your box. It's in very good shape. There's the side of it. Got the roll cage. Got your mini light wheels, racing air cleaner, floor shifter, fire extinguisher, exhaust system. There's the side of the box. GC 2700. Side of the box. And it says American Motors Dealer right there. That's the racing team. Alright, so let's get this thing going. Super detailed model of Woods prepared Javelin. Alright, let's open it up. You can see that it's never been touched. Alright, let me move this aside and start showing you the parts. Alright, well, let's do the instructions first. Here's your instructions. You can see they're just a little bit yellowed with age. Typical Johan. You can see the line right there from yellowed to not so yellowed. Alright, step number 1. You got your engine assembly right there. Shows you every step you need to make to do the engine. Step number 2 is your cockpit. That would be your roll cage, seat, shifter, fire extinguisher. It's got your dash, steering wheel. Step number 3 is your headers. Turn it over to the back. Step number 4, putting your axles and wheels, tires, and engine in. Let's see. Step number 5, hood. You're under hood support. It's got your front grille, your glass, cockpit, chassis. You got everything. There you go. The rear end, your what's that? Your spoiler, tail lights. That's it for the instructions. All right, sprue number 1. You got your hood. You got your radiator support radiator. You got your fan. You got your firewall, your racing seat, and this right here will be for your axles. So that's sprue number 1. Let's go sprue number 2. What you see here, you got your engine halves, your heads. It's got a little bit of flash on it, but Johan, that's all they do was flash. Got your dash, your wheel inserts, parts for your header, fire extinguisher. Then you got your front underneath your, what's that called? Air dam. Front air dam. Here's the back side of the parts if you want to see the back side. Typical Johan, low parts count, but it is detailed. Here's your roll cage. Looks very good, very clean. Flashes over here to the side. Let's see, a lot of loose parts in the box. You got your your back spoiler right there. It says, what does that say? AMX. Your back spoiler. That goes underneath your hood. I guess the air cleaner goes into that, kind of. You got, what is that? Got your air breather. And I guess it would go like that. Let's see. Of course, the battery. Steering wheel. Steering wheel is a little broke, but that's no big deal. A little glue will fix that. Good detail on the steering wheel too. Johan always had the little plastic axles. Let's see. This is your back for your tail lights and stuff. That's the back side of it. Then you got your chrome. And then one of the wheels is off the sprue and it's right here. So it's accounted for, but you can see the mini lights. You can see the grill. Put a good black wash on the grill. Back bumper says Javelin AMX. Chrome valve covers, carburetor. So, very bright chrome for as old as this thing is. You know, it's hard to believe that the chrome would be that bright for as old as it is. Then you got your typical tires that you have to put together like this. And they're all accounted for. 2 of them's come off. And then you got your glass. Let's see. Your interior tub, no back seat. So back seat delete. Your chassis. There's the underneath. Not a lot of detail. Johans were like that. They're kind of like the old AMT. Not a lot of detail underneath. One piece pretty much on the bottom. Just about. But the bodies on these Johans, second to none. I love these vintage Johans. Mold line. You got a little bit of cleanup to do here. Right there. Got some flash on it. There's the back. Let that come into focus. Then you got flash down this mold line right here. So you're right there. That's a big old piece of flash. Flash underneath there. Flash there. Flash. Flash on the front. But hey, that's a vintage kit for you. There's the front. This right here has to be removed. But can't ask for more. Molded in white. Them old Johans, sometimes you never knew what the color they was going to be in. And then last but not least, you got the decals. A little bit yellowed with age, but nothing bad. Should be able to use them. But that's it. That's the unboxing. And y'all watch the channel. I'll do a lot more vintage unboxing. I got so many vintage kits that ain't even funny. So stick around. And thanks for subscribing. Bye.